Hello, today we will guide you through how to add bank details to Invoice in Xero. In this walkthrough, we'll add your bank payment information so it automatically appears on your invoices, making it easy for customers to pay you accurately and on time. We're demonstrating in Xero's demo company, but the process is the same in your own organization. Start at the Xero homepage. Check that you're working in the correct organization. If you see the organization name at the top, select it to confirm or switch as needed. In our example, we're using the demo company. Being in the right place ensures the changes you make apply to the invoices you issue from that organization. From here, open Settings. This is where you manage your financial document preferences. Within Settings, choose Invoice Settings. This section controls how your invoices look and behave, including branding themes, defaults, and the information that appears on every invoice. On the Invoice Settings page, locate your invoice theme or template and open its Options menu. Select Edit. You're now editing the branding settings that control the content customers see. This is the correct place to add payment instructions that appear consistently without needing to type them each time. Scroll to the Terms and Payment section. Enter the bank details you want your customers to use. Keep the information clear and concise, such as the account name, bank name, account number, or IBAN, and any required codes like a sort code, BSB, or SWIFT BIC when relevant. If you want customers to include an invoice number or a specific reference with their payment, say that here so funds can be matched quickly. You can also include brief payment terms, such as the number of days to pay, and any late fee or remittance guidance. Aim for short lines and simple formatting so the text prints cleanly and is easy to read on both PDF and online invoices. Avoid sensitive information that isn't necessary for receiving a bank transfer. When you're happy with the wording, choose Save. Your updates are now part of this invoice theme. Going forward, any invoice that uses this theme will display your bank details in the Terms and Payment area, helping customers pay the right account without back and forth emails. That's it. You confirmed the correct organization, opened Settings, went to Invoice Settings, edited your invoice theme, added clear bank information in the Terms and Payment section, and saved your changes. Keep this information up to date and review it whenever your banking details or payment terms change, so your invoices remain accurate and professional. Thanks for following along.